Hey guys, it's Paul. Welcome to the first video of the Zoho One Army. And this is how to sign up, how to get started with Zoho One, and how to join the Zoho One Army. But maybe we might not cover that totally in this video. We just want to get you started on Zoho One. And I personally just want, I've logged in, I've got a test Gmail account. I want to get you away from having Gmail emails as your business account. I want you to get away from Hotmail or Yahoo or Outlook or anything like that. So you've got your own business emails and stuff like that. But we're going to fire into Zoho One. I'm presuming you know what Zoho One is at the moment. And there's multiple ways you can do this. If you want to sign up via my links, I get paid some commission for the first year if you choose to go past the 30-day free trial. I get a little bit of commission if you sign up via my links. That also gets you access to the Zoho One Army. But if you come to pnuk.com/Z1 Army, or you can go straight to Zoho, you can go to zoho.com/1. Oh, don't do two E's. /1, and you can sign up with Zoho Direct as well. You can always tag me later if you want to go direct to the horse's mouth. But if you come to the Zoho One Army page, I will put a link, and we're going to do the 30-day free trial. No credit cards required. You won't get asked for anything. And the only thing you have to really decide is if you're in the EU, there's different data protection laws that you need to abide by, rather than if you're outside the EU, you can go for the different data center. So just two choices, you decide. Just for trial versions, for training purposes, I'm going to go with the Zoho.com, even though I am in the EU. But if I was signing up properly and this wasn't a trial, in fact, I'm going to go with .com because that'll tag to my .com partner program, and I can make my trial permanent maybe if I want to. But you choose whichever one is relevant to you. So all you're going to do is click Zoho One, and all you're asked, it's not a very pretty page, but this is my sign-up page that they provide. Hopefully, Zoho, if you're watching, can you make this look a little bit nicer, please? So first thing is portal name. This is kind of like your unique URL that you're going to have at the top of your page. So I would say for this, maybe think of something like your Twitter handle or your Instagram handle. So if I put Z1 Army in, should take it. I'm surprised if there's another Z1 Army. And I'm going to put in my Gmail email, which is which is punk@z1army.com. Did I spell it right? Oh no, at gmail.com. So that's what we're going to get rid of. This is what my business is sort of going out at the minute. I'm meeting people in for business, and it's what's your email? Oh, it's so-and-so at gmail.com. It's Outlook. We're going to get rid of that eventually. Password, don't say it out loud like I have in a previous video. Add your phone number. That is not mine, obviously. And put where you are. The United Kingdom. Agree to terms and privacy. Obviously, go and read them. I would like to receive marketing. No thanks. Sign up. Obviously, you tick it if you want your marketing. And this is going to get us into, see at the top, 1.zoho.com. And we'll go through it because it does change at times. Please verify your email to start using. So I go back here, go to my inbox. No, I don't use. Did I put it in properly? Socials. Hello Fresh. Where is the email, George? Is it in the junk? Spam alarm? No. So let's just make sure. PNUKZ1 Army. Yeah, that's right. Resend. Double check. Anything? Oh, there we go. Yeah, I should refresh it. I don't use the Gmail app. Confirm my account. Verify. Access your account. Lives work. Access your apps. And we are in, and we have access to the admin panel, to everything Zoho One, and it wants us to obviously start adding apps and things. So Zoho One is designed for gradual adoption. So selecting a category apps to start with will give you an opportunity to get the hang of things. Don't worry, you can always add more later. So if you want to, at this point, you can say what kind of industry you're in. You know, if you're in something like sales, and you continue, it's going to want to add bookings, CRM, sales inbox, or anything like that. You can go back to that. So it's you don't have to worry about adding apps because you're only going to use the ones you want. It doesn't matter that they've been created because you've still got to tinker with them. Email collaboration. So you get signed and everything. I don't know if if it'll actually let me not come off that. So we're going to have to put something in. So maybe what would be the best? As I say, it doesn't matter which one you pick because you can add the other apps anyway. This is going to automatically install analytics, begin, bookings, CRM, sales inbox, and sales IQ. So yeah, we'll do this. It's going to do that as well. It's going to do these. Zoho One has everything you need. So it's just installing those apps. It isn't setting them up. There isn't any settings. You have to individually go into these apps. We'll go for the tour while we're here. Welcome to Zoho One. Zoho One's a comprehensive and customizable platform. Powerful. So your applications are over to the side. Your users, I think you can get 10 users in the trial. Get your employees. Make sure your security settings are correct and any reports. Quick actions up the top. And go to your applications to finish. So really, that's all we're going to do in this video because we've got a lot of things to go through. We're all set up. We're all logged in. We're ready to go. We've got a few apps already pre-installed, but I'll go through all those in future videos. You can just check if you're part of the Z1 Army. If you want to become a part of the Z1 Army, you see the first one is Zoho Partners. If you've just signed up via the tabs that I showed in this video, then when you go to Zoho.com payments, your subscription will already say that the PNUK Limited is your tagged partner. Here, look, so Zoho One, and then the company is PNUK Limited, which is my company. If it isn't, you can go up to here and select, and it says here, look, select tag your partner PNUK, and then you can tag it and proceed, and that will tag you. That will get you access to the Z1 Army forum, and we will, when it's done. In fact, I'll do it. So this is the Z1 Army forum. So if I go, so when I'll get an email, right? So I get an email, new customer sign up. So this is all the information I get, what you filled out, and I will go here and go to users and send an invitation to this email and save and send an invite. So if I go back now to okay, so the partner's tagged, partner car signed. If I go back to Gmail, yeah, you see now everything's PNUK Limited there. Tag your partner. Oh, I hadn't seen this. So this is what you get. Oh, that's what you've just done for tagging me. No reply at the Z1 Army. Paul invited you to join the Z1 Army. All you've got to do is click here, enter a username. You can change it later, so don't worry if you get something you're stuck with. I'll call this the Z1 Army. Add a password and accept. This gets you into the private forum where all Zoho training videos. We're going to put a lot training together, which is what this is the start, the very first video. There'll be a few information, welcome things that you can go through. And I should have done it, I'm going to create a category where you can introduce yourself. Which industry are you in? So we'll have a group for maybe health and fitness professionals, for real estate, for security companies or trades companies, hospitality. We'll create lots of different groups and areas where you can answer and get questions answered, or answer other people's questions specific to your area. So this is a private forum. Only the Zoho One Army are going to be allowed in, but we're going to get a lot of things done inside there. So sign up for Zoho One, and I will give you access to the Z1 Army. If you can't tag PNUK Limited on your Zoho One for one reason or another, you tag to somebody else, there's other options of getting in. You can become a Patreon. There's options to join the Patreon that starts at £1 a month, for £5 a month, for £10 a month. You can sign up. £1 a month will get you in. There's also, if you don't like Patreon for some reason, there's also a place on the YouTube channel where you can join, or let's agree. There's a join button on YouTube where I need to be signed in. I think it's like $2.99 a month. And I'll put a further on the training course. I will do a forum access training course where you can again choose whether you want to pay $1 a month, $5 a month, $10 a month, whatever. It all helps. All contributions towards the Zoho One Army helps, because YouTube are not paying as much for Zoho videos. A lot of people are doing Zoho videos, which is kind of watering down the payments. I don't get as much commission from Zoho as I used to. So any contribution towards the Zoho One Army to helping us get better and keep on creating content, create loads of videos, and answer everybody's custom questions always helps. So I dragged on a bit there, but come and join us. Sign up for Zoho One, and we'll get into it.